वेलकम टू स्टेटफास्ट। छोड़िए ती है रहा है रहिए, इंग्लिश को सीखिए, इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश, ना कि हिंदी टू इंग्लिश। टुडे वी both are do question dealing with general conversation. So you ready?
Yes.
You believe in God?
Yes, I believe in God
Why?
because I think that no, every God that teach that there is God, and I also believe that there is something who is which is means which is something that we have to believe. There is something that we learn that many facts about many places, like ma'am said before this, that some facts about Mahakal Nagri and other things. So I think that facts make us to believe in God.
Okay. Will you join career maker?
No,
Why?
because I don't think I need it.
Uh, are you to eat water balls?
Yes, I am to eat out water balls
Why?
because it's my favorite street food and I really like to.
Okay. You want to go home?
Yes, we can say.
Why?
Because after this session, I don't have anything to do here, so I will go to.
Okay. Are you keep on go college?
Yes, I will keep on go college.
Why?
Because my exam is near and I want there are many lectures I have to study, so that's why.
Uh, can you dance of in front of many people?
No, yeah, right now I can dance
Why?
because right now after joining Steadfast I build my confidence a lot, so yeah, I can.
Okay. Um, uh, was you okay? Uh, were you were you feel cold?
Yes, I'm feeling cold
Why?
because in this room the AC is on 24, 23 of temperature and I'm feeling very cold right now, so that's.
Okay. Are you to purchase new clothes?
No, I'm not to purchase new clothes
Why?
because before 2 or 3 days ago I already buy 2 or 3.
You want to go mall?
No,
Why?
right, like I said before that I purchased some clothes before 2 or 3 days ago, so I already went it from.
You want to meet with your cousins?
Yes,
Why?
because from a long time I didn't meet them, so that's why I want to meet them.
Okay. Mm, uh, do you get up early in the morning?
Um, no,
Why?
I don't know that why but I can't get up early in the morning.
Thank you.